Do you plus verb is used to ask someone about something in general. Examples: do you like ice cream? Do you live in the city? Do you have siblings? Do you have some milk in the fridge? Do you have a relative living in the big city? Do you grow rice in Malaysia? Do you eat spicy food? Do you grow your own vegetables? Do you work at a bank? Do you watch TV? Do you go to school on Saturdays? Do you attend this class every day? Do you listen to this audio file every night? Do you go abroad for vacation every year? Do you get a free medical checkup twice a year? Do you help your parents do the house chores on weekends? Do you can also use modifiers, adverbs, before a verb. Examples: do you often wake up early in the morning? Do you usually hang out with your friends in a coffee shop? Do you always come here to visit your grandparents? Do you usually go to the movies?